Hello guys, today we will see what actually the longest common subsequence problem is, and we will see how we can solve it in many ways by some brute force method or some optimizations. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So before going to further discussion, we will just see what does this statement means. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you know what is the meaning of longest and you know what is the meaning of common. So I will explain you what is the actual meaning of subsequence. Okay, if you know what is the meaning of subsequence previously, so you are good to go. Otherwise, I will explain it to you. So suppose there is a string given A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so now tell me what is the sequence of it. Okay, so the sequence can be A, B, C, D, E, or the sequence can be A, C, D, E, or the sequence can be C, D, E. So the sequence is we have to take serial wise indices elements. Okay, but what we have to know is subsequence, not sequence but subsequence. So the subsequence is what if we take this sequence just like A, B, C. Okay, then if we delete the character A, B from it. Okay, so AC is a subsequence. Okay, so if so if we take the string ABCDE, the ABCDE is also is a subsequence of its own string. So what is the definition of it? It is the sequence of characters in which we can delete one or none or more than one characters from between of the characters. Okay, so that is the definition of the subsequence. Okay, so there are many subsequence possible here. It can be A, B, C, or E. Okay, this can be one possible subsequence. Another one is A, C, E. Okay, so the index of every element that you take should be greater than to the previous element. So it cannot just less than. Okay, so we cannot take C, A, E just because A occurs previous to the C. Okay, so A, the index of A is 0 and the index of C is 2. Okay, so we cannot take this because 0 is less than 2. Okay, so this is valid subsequence, this is not. Okay, so now uh, now we will discuss what is the longest common subsequence problem is. So in this problem you are given are two strings. First of all, let's just take an example like A, B and D. Okay, this is the one string that were given. You have to search the subsequence of this into a string T. Okay, suppose there is a string given A, C, B and D. Okay, this is a string S and this is the target string. Okay, so in this string you have to search for this string subsequence. Okay, so you can easily see the subsequence of this string in that is A, B, D actually, because A is here and B is there and C it is also there. So sorry, the subsequence what I have told you before, the subsequence is when the index cannot the previous index cannot be come after the smaller index. Okay, so here A comes at the 0th index, B comes at the 2th index and D come at the 3rd index. So this is a valid subsequence. So this is the actually this is the longest common subsequence is there, just because the string of the length of the string is 3 and the length of our subsequence is also 3. So there can be many longest common subsequence, just like uh, AB. This is also a common subsequence, just like BD. This is also a subsequence. Okay, yeah. Then singleton A is also a subsequence, singleton B is also a subsequence, singleton D is also a subsequence. Okay, so what is the longest common subsequence? Is the longest common subsequence is A, B and D. Okay, yeah. So in the next video I will discuss how you can solve it using recursion, and in the further next video I will discuss the optimization of this problem using the dynamic programming approach. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next part.